In our last video, we talked about how to tune your guitar using an app called Guitar Tuna. And now we're going to talk about how to tune your guitar using a standalone tuner that clips onto your guitar. This one is from a brand called Diodario. There are also some good ones from a brand called Snark. You can get Fender, or there are tons of brands who make tuners like this. And they're all relatively inexpensive, maybe $10 or $15 a piece. But the way they work is they clip onto the headstock of your guitar, and as you play a note, it will sense the vibration of the pitch that you're playing and help you tune to that pitch. So I'm going to bring up a close-up shot here so you can get a nice, good view of what's going on. So with it turned on, so you can see there that it says E, and you can probably see just very faintly that there are some yellow lines just below the E, and that's telling us that the note is low and we need to tune it up. So as we get closer, some of those yellow lines go away, and then what we're aiming for is to get a blue line just above and just below the note. So that's what we have here. I think you can see it a little bit better there. So we got our E in tune. Next note is A. So A, we see those yellow lines below. We're going to tune it up. There's blue line top and bottom, so we're in tune. Next note is D. So yellow lines below, we're going to tune it up. There we go. Next note is G. There we go, blue line top and bottom. Next note is B. There we go. And so I went just a little bit above, so I'm going to show what happens if you're above the pitch and need to go down. So here we have some red lines up above the B. And it's very faintly showing up on the screen here, but to get rid of those, we want to tune the pitch down. That was the wrong tuner. That's in tune, and now the last one, we're going to tune that up. So what I was showing, if you're up above the pitch, you want to bring it down, and I just like to go just a little bit below, because when you tune up and bring tension onto the screen, it tends to stay on the string rather, it tends to stay in tune better than if you tune down to the pitch. So we're going to tune this B up. There we go, blue line top and bottom. And the E's in tune. All right, so that's that. So whether you use an app like Guitar Tuna or a standalone tuner that clips on the guitar like this, either way is going to help get your guitar in tune. But I recommend using this before you play your guitar every day. Weather changes, humidity changes, things like that can make your guitar tune up or tune down just a little bit. Playing your guitar for a long period of time can get it out of tune too. So it only takes a few minutes and really worth the little bit of extra effort to get it in tune before you start playing. We'll see you next time.